Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making honey garlic salmon bites. You will need 3 salmon steaks, 1/2 cup of honey, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of butter, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cut your steak into bite-sized pieces, dry them with a paper towel, then place them in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then mix until each piece is well coated. Now add your thyme and paprika. Add the garlic powder and salt, then mix until all your pieces are well coated. Now add the remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan, and using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Place your salmon in the pan, then allow them to cook for 2 minutes on each side. After 4 minutes, remove the salmon from the pan and set it aside until later. Now melt your butter. Add the honey and lemon juice and mix well. Now add the garlic and mix well. Return your salmon bites to the pan, then continue to simmer for an additional 3 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made